Let's run away. Okay, so I'm gonna have a challenge where I can only touch green now. Okay. Now let's do a challenge where we have to get it in red. Otherwise, we can't equip Zoe for this whole video. No, we can't equip Zoe. We got one and it's yellow. There it was. It so this thing called Claw Lantern. If you want to play it, you can just play it in Roblox. But yeah. Oh, now you could next one's Moonlight, right? Anyway, so I have a magnet. I want to jump. It's really cool, just like an umbrella. See? And then it goes back in. Now, bye. And now you're meant to go away. Glitched it a little bit. And look, like literally none of them is one. Let me get a new one now. This is all I have. I'm gonna get another carpet later. And yeah. Maybe not this one. I have this one with this. Look at them. Crazy. And especially when they all jump. So cool. Let's try going over here to see if we follow me. Wait a minute, I got jump behind. Yeah. Okay, let's try again to see if we can equip Zoe. Oh my gosh, still can't. Yeah. I have to see. Okay. So I'm flying around the room. Oh, is it? And that makes me and the one in the middle of the screen. 500. Well, it's worth it. Anyway, this looks pretty good actually. Looks like it's gonna go through. But that's not too good. Try this one first. Now let's go. Magic carpet. Magic carpet. Wait, I want to get a new chair actually first. Now magic carpet. Upgrade. Yeah. Yay, let's try. Oh no, this is tiny. Let's see, does it work? No, I'm clicking it, but it doesn't work. Let's see. Okay, so mini, now does it work? Oh, it didn't work. Yeah, I successfully lagged the game. Literally. So I just can't put it on. Yeah.